Hi, this is Medha from Adya AI. At Adya, we are building different AI products that can help the way your businesses are run today. They might be useful for different use cases or industries. One of the use cases that I'm presenting today is Marketing Agent. We have built this agent specifically for marketeers that run the marketing teams within their companies. It can help these marketeers generate content, target audience with specific marketing materials, or even do lead discovery for converting them into full-time inbound leads. That's how this agent would work. For creating the content, what you can do is you can start with first defining your target audience. You can do it in two manners. Either you can define it manually by giving the persona name, their age group, and their pain points, or you can provide us your on-brand text and we will suggest the target audience for you by doing analysis from your competitors. The same way you can set up your brand voice. Every company wants to have a particular brand voice across different platforms they post marketing posts on. So this is the way you can generate your own brand voice. Either you can define it manually like you did it for the target audience, where you put up your brand name, you select the traits that you want to reflect from your post, and also you can give some custom instructions. Or you can select the on-brand text option, where you could give us some company details and we will suggest the brand voice that suits the best for you. Once you have set up both of these, you can straight away go and jump into creating content for different platforms. So right now we have the pipeline available for creating social media posts across different platforms. Let's start with LinkedIn post. Here you can put in your input, what kind of post you want to create. It could be either in the form of a text, or if suppose you have a file that is readily available to you, a research file or something of an image or an audio input, you can also put up that. And then let's suppose I upload a document which is in the form of a PDF about my company and the products and services my company offers, and I want to make a post for that. So let the file upload, and then I will give my custom instruction. How do I want the AI to use this file? I want to create a post on AI agents and their offerings in this space. You can quickly set up your content tone that you had set up earlier. Choose from your earlier setup content tone or the target audience, and then you can choose a writing style in the format that you want the agent to write, the length that you want, or you can also generate some image with AI and have some call to actions and hashtags with your post. This is how you can configure your input, and just simply click on the generate output button and it will generate an entire post for you. Now suppose if there's something that you do not like about it or you want it to enhance, you can simply click on enhancing with AI button, where you ask it to become more professional next door. So this will give you a version 1 of a separate tab where the content will be changed into completely professional. If you see the difference over here, suppose if you don't want the icon, this red icon over here, so you can just give an input on the part of the section and click on enhance. So it will just remove the icon. So there are two ways to enhance your final output, and you can straight away integrate your LinkedIn account and publish this directly to your account.